unlock a goldmine of motivated sellers and unique investment opportunities by mastering how to find probate properties in Propstream. First, log into your Propstream account. Our aim today is to search for properties that are currently going through the probate process, which often signals motivated sellers looking to offload assets. Navigate to the search section. You'll want to apply a specific filter. Look for an option that allows you to filter by legal status or property characteristics, and select probate. You can then refine your search geographically down to a specific county, zip code, or even a custom area. This helps you focus on markets you're familiar with or where you see potential. Once you run the search, Propstream will present you with a list of properties that meet your probate criteria. Each entry will typically show crucial details like the owner's name and the property address. Clicking on an individual property will open its detailed record. Here, you'll find confirmation of its probate status. This is where the real opportunity lies, as these are often estates undergoing legal asset distribution. Crucially, Propstream offers skip tracing services directly within the platform. This allows you to obtain contact information for the property owners or beneficiaries, enabling you to reach out directly. As you find promising probate leads, you can easily add them to your campaign lists within Propstream. This is your starting point for building a targeted outreach strategy. By following these steps, you're now equipped to systematically identify probate properties, connect with potential sellers, and capitalize on these often overlooked but highly valuable real estate investment opportunities.